And to Wajir, where farmers want the government to introduce crop insurance policies to cushion farms from the effect of natural disasters, just as is the case with their counterparts who rear livestock and enjoy livestock insurance.
Habiba Ibrahim is counting her losses after heavy winds destroyed most of her farm. The late afternoon winds destroyed the chicken coop, pawpaw, lemon, sweet potatoes, greenhouse, and the tomatoes. Habiba is among the few pastoralists who sold off their few camels to try farming as an alternative livelihood.
Na upepo mingi, sasa ile upepo ikaanza kuleta madhara nyingi, mpaka pawpaw, lemon yote ikaenda, mamiti kadhaa, paipai kama miti 100 zikaenda zikiwa na matunda. Kulikuwa na poultry, nyumba ya kuku pia ikaenda. Nimekuwa na hasara nyingi.
On the day the winds destroyed her farm, Habiba had taken the day's harvest to the market, fetching 4,500 Kenya shilling, mostly from the sale of pawpaw and lemon. The damage visited on her farm by nature has Habiba feeling almost helpless.
From kutoka 2008 2009 mpaka sasa ile gharama imeingia ni nyingi, ni zaidi ya milioni 8 hivi imeingia. Kuna solar panel systems, kuna drips, kuna greenhouse.
The destruction has been a bit pathetic. It's painful. Habiba was undertaking things through irrigation agriculture by using motorized generators, which is very expensive. Now, with this destruction, some of them may be a bit worried about what had happened in the destruction. However it is, Habiba has been a role model.
She is among the few pioneers in horticultural farming in drought-stricken Wajir. The winds have shattered almost more than the harvest.
Insurance policy for crops. However, there was very much biasness on the issue of livestock policy of insurance. But we have been trying to advise or tell people that the issue of policies, insurance policies for crops are also an essential entity.
Agricultural officials say farmers like Habiba need to get compensated from natural occurrences that rob them of their livelihoods, especially if the push for adoption for farming by locals is to be kept alive. Nurdin Almoge, NTV, Wajir County.